Hello guys, welcome back. Working with such amazing tag and producer template make all of us interested to create and design various type of HTML page on the web page. For this purpose, we should use from editors which all of them are similar in function and structure, and have got very vigorous powers to update different kinds of codes in the worksheet. At the first step, you can navigate the directory and open a folder by VS Code. It just be possible to update and edit and put the codes for creating a template and connect this template with your HTML page. You can see this HTML page. We are going to put a second template or a second page inside this HTML page, and the researcher we're going to enter inside our HTML page. Before entering, should register yourself and can get access to the information of our HTML page. Is the registration form is the login page, and before login we should sign up and register inside here. If we go ahead and click on sign up page, we can by email register ourselves and can go back to login page. Inside login page, we can enter our email address and password which we have created in the inside registration form, and we or other researcher can enter to HTML page or the main page. For this purpose, at the first we should open and navigate on the VS or Visual Studio Code. For this, we should navigate on the directory and open a folder by the name for sample project. Inside this, we have got index.html. Inside this index.html, we have got a complete HTML page. We are going to import these codes and import these codes and make a template. For this purpose, one thing you should keep in your mind: each type of design you are going to do needs its element, and before putting those codes elements inside, must select the location of those content where should be located. In this tutorial, I'm going to make these contents such as login, logout, and sign up and homepage for my web, and can be shown on the top of as a head of HTML page. So for this, should put and write down this element inside head element. I have got head element and title element. Inside head element, create open nav element. Class is equal navbar. After that, we can put this navbar -expand -lg, navbar -dark, bg -dark, and after that we should put its attribute and open tag button. We can put its attribute and its value. Class is equal navbar, inside our quotation -toggler -icon. A type, and type is equal, inside our quotation we have got button, its value, and data toggler is equal inside our collapse The target is equal navbar. This means we are going to create a button, a navbar, and we should be located in the left of our web page. And after that, we can open a spawn element. For expanding the icon which make us able to open navbar icon, and by getting out from it, the icon can be closed from inserting other content such as login, sign up inside navbar should be write down this element and attribute and its attribute just for this purpose. The researcher when enter in our website at the first step should register themselves by signing up. I will then guide you in the next part of this video how can name by email. After registration process, we will be able to log in to web page by email and password. You can have create an account, or can we have and we have or we have we can or you can have an account right now and get access to the material of this web page by this account that you have created for yourself. Now, by div element and its attribute and its value, we are able to link this such template page with other HTML page. It's pretty easy to connect two pages and template with together. Before doing this, should go ahead and navigate on the directory and make a file by the name of, for example, index.html, index.html1, index.html2, or login.html, or signup.html, or homepage.html. Before this, we can create a file by the name and make a file by the name of index.html or sign login.html. This is the login page.html. We will describe about this and code this in the next video. You will know and you will learn about how you can make a login page or sign up page or home page for yourself. In this video, you just connect this login page or sign up page or home page with your HTML page or with your template page. For this purpose, we should put these elements. Def class is equal inside double quotation we have got navbar hyphen nav. A class, a element class is equal nav hyphen item nav hyphen link. ID is equal login. href is equal login.html. Is the template or is the page we are gonna or we just introduce this element inside this double quotation. href is equal login.html. We are gonna to it linked this login HTML with our template. We have got login registration form, login page. We're going to link this login with our HTML page or index.html. If you run the program, we can say, for example, inside this we can write down its title, for example, when registration form, or we are going to write down and name this template by the name of registering. Form. Now we should save the program and then run the program. We can see the changes. is the registering form. If we click on the registering form, we can get access to registration form. Before registering, before login, entering our email address and password, we should sign up. Go ahead and enter our email address, enter your first name, for example, password, and confirm password. After confirming password, you can submit this, and you can get ahead and log in inside the HTML page. For this, we are gonna to create other template, for example, login page, logout page, sign out page, or home page. For this, we should copy and make the second class, for example, login dot index.html. Inside this, we can write down, for example, it is a 3 represents index 3 dot html. Inside this element, we can write down, for example, home page. We are going to create a third, for example, the template. For this, we can create the third template by the name of index1.html. This index 1, index 2, index 3, or separately, or for example, a template. We can link this template or page with our HTML page. We're going to write, for example, about contacts. After that, we should put this element def class is equal inside the application alert danger, and button type is button, class is close. We can write, for example, open. This means the navbar should be opened automatically inside the HTML page. And after that, we can put this code button, and I've got the type close data hyphen dismiss is equal to and span is hyphen area hyphen hidden is true, is equal true. Open div element class is equal container, then close the tag div class div element nav element. At the end, we should save the codes and run the program. We have created these templates and pages and linked with our HTML page. Right now, we can go ahead and click on about, for example, about. We are going to get more information about this template page, about this website. We can click on about the information for example, and we can enter in the second page about, for example, about contacts of this HTML page, and go back. For example, home page is a separate page, registration form is a separate page, this is our HTML page I've created before. This is the logo. We can create a logo, we can put it's a image inside here. Just by putting this attribute inside here. If we are going to make a logo, or for example put or import a video, for example, or logo inside our HTML page, we can create, you can put this image element, and we can select its size. For example, width size is 100 pixel and height size is 100 pixel, and after that we should go on the file and save this and run the program. Is the page, is the logo, or for example it's the picture we have created and entered inside our HTML page. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe to our